This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Almost all chefs in a Chinese restaurant would marinate their meat in the same way before stir frying. And this is how they do it. I have here some strips of chicken thighs, but you can use this technique for any type of protein. We'll start off by adding all the seasoning. Here, I'm using some soy sauce, Here, I'm using some soy sauce, a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar, some pepper, and a tablespoon of water. Mix all this really well. Massage the chicken till all the water has been absorbed. In Cantonese, we call this da sui. Set all this aside for a few minutes for the flavors to penetrate while you prepare your other ingredients. When stir frying, the ingredients are cut pretty thinly, so it does not take very long to marinate your proteins. Give this about 3 to 5 minutes, but the longer, the better. After a few minutes, when the seasoning has been absorbed, pour in some oil. Give this a good mix to coat the ingredients. Then, finish it off with some cornflour. Mix and coat the ingredients with the cornflour. And now, you are ready to stir fry. This is how most Chinese chefs would marinate their meat for stir frying.